Hey everybody, and welcome back to the As the Rooster Crows. Today I think that we're going to be doing lemon, garlic, butter, shrimp, and asparagus. So it's another keto recipe, but don't worry, we're not going to be always doing keto. We're going to be throwing other stuff in there too. So hang on and we'll get to it. Alright, it calls for one bunch of asparagus. So what you want to do first is just chop the ends off the asparagus. Sorry if you hear something in here that sounds like a horse, it's just Kiki running around acting crazy. Okay, you want to heat your skillet over medium heat, and about 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of butter. Get that heated up. Once your pan is heated up, then you want to throw your asparagus in. We're just going to season it with some salt and pepper for now. And let this cook for about 5 or 6 minutes. While your asparagus is cooking, you can go ahead and juice half a lemon. So after you've let your asparagus cook for about 5 minutes, then you want to set it to the side. In the same skillet, you want to add 2 tablespoons of butter. And then you're going to add your shrimp. So then we're going to add our shrimp. And you're going to cook these for about 2 minutes on this side. And you're going to add salt and pepper. After it's cooked for about 2 minutes, then you want to add your minced garlic. Italian seasoning. And onion powder. And then mix these up. And then you want to add some vegetable stock, but since I don't have that, I'm just going to use chicken stock. It's about 1/2 cup. After shrimp are cooked, then you want to push them all to one side and then add your asparagus back. And then coat your asparagus good. And then just let that cook for a couple of minutes and then it's done. Oh, but first you gotta add your lemon juice. There we go. I just wanted to show that when Joni is out in the shop with Joe, these two take her bed. And a girl. Kiki? And Smudgy just takes the couch. Hi, my Joe. What is it? You want me to leave you alone? So what do you think?
I think it's very delicious. It's a keeper.
Yay!